Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for urban commuting and outdoor adventures. With its robust 1000W motor, this bike can easily reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, offering a thrilling ride that appeals to both casual riders and enthusiasts alike. The acceleration is impressive, and even uphill climbs are handled with ease, providing a reliable solution for varied terrains. One of the standout features is the 48V 20AH removable battery. This powerful battery not only supports the impressive speed but also offers a maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, depending on factors such as rider weight, terrain, and riding style. This extensive range means you can confidently embark on longer journeys without the constant worry of running out of battery. The convenience of a removable battery is another significant plus, allowing for easy charging at home or in the office without needing to haul the entire bike. The folding design of this electric bike is another key selling point. It folds down compactly, making it easy to store in small spaces or transport in a vehicle. This feature is particularly advantageous for those living in apartments or for commuters who need to combine biking with public transportation. In terms of build quality, the bike feels solid and durable, with a frame that can support a maximum load comfortably. The ride quality is smooth, thanks to the efficient suspension system that absorbs bumps and irregularities in the road. While the bike is packed with features, it does have a few minor drawbacks. The weight of the bike may be a concern for some, particularly when folded, and the assembly instructions could be clearer. However, these issues are outweighed by the overall performance and quality. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike is a powerful, practical, and fun mode of transportation that excels in providing speed, range, and portability, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or enjoy leisurely rides.